Today we're going to be doing some personal grooming baby edition. Basically, we're going to be cleaning and organizing baby's items just to make sure that everything is set and ready, including baby herself. So let's go.
Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
So we are going to start by freshening up the bassinet, which includes putting in some fresh linings in there, and that's it.
To my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Then you're going to be doing some cloth organization, basically just removing the clothes from the closet and folding them and rearranging them again.
We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
While folding the clothes, I'm separating them according to size. I'm going to separate the 0 to 3 months clothes and put them on one side, and then the bigger ones I'm going to put them on another side, just to make sure that she wears most of the items before she actually outgrows them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this because some of the clothes are actually really big and she can't wear them right now because she doesn't fit in them, because some can actually be worn by a 2-year-old, a 1-year-old, and she's only a month old. So we're just gonna arrange them, make sure that we put the bigger ones at the back and put them away, and then she'll wear them once she's older. And then the small ones, the 0 to 3 months, are going to be placed at the front. Just make sure that she wears most, if not all of them, so that she doesn't outgrow many of her items.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
This is a nice little troublemaker outfit. This is really cute. Little troublemaker. I love it. So this is basically everything. I have arranged them in order of size. These ones here, most of these ones are quite big at the moment, and these ones are for 0 to 3 months. And currently she wears most of them, but I've added some just to make sure that she doesn't outgrow some of them while she hasn't even worn them. So that's how I've arranged them, just to make sure that she actually gets to wear most of the things. And these are the ones she's currently wearing because they are for 0 to 3 months, and these ones we're gonna keep, and she'll wear once she gets to a size that she can actually fit in them. Most of these clothes are actually very cute and I like them, so I really did some nice shopping here. I like the colors. Most of the colors are nice, and yeah, so that's what is up. I'm just gonna put them away in the closet and arrange everything just to make sure that everything stays organized. The ones that are way bigger are going to go at the back, and the smaller ones are going to come to the front so that they're easy to reach and get out of the closet. Now that is done, we're going to make sure that the baby is clean. So some diapers, body oil, and outfit of the day. So here's the outfit of the day. And now let us get the baby cleaned. So first we're going to switch on the warmer. This is just to help make the room a bit warmer because it's quite cold and you don't want the baby to feel cold before we actually wash her. And then once the room is warm enough, we can go ahead and wash the baby. So that's done and the baby is all set. There she is, looking all cute. And then we switch off the warmer, and that's it for the day. And that's it. That was personal grooming for my baby today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.